Hey everybody, it's Lon Seib, and it is time for another unboxing. Today we're taking a look at the Mevo Start. This is a GoPro-sized camera that can do live streaming without any additional equipment. And we're going to be taking a closer look at this on my main channel at lon.tv. So it might be just a little bit larger than a GoPro, but it is a pretty compact device for its capabilities. So what it will do is stream out at 1080p, and you can select whatever streaming service you want to send the video to. It will also record onto an SD card here in the back at 1080p as well. And what's really cool about this is that it supports the Ndi Hx Standard, which means that you can stream its output to OBS or some other video capture device or service. And I use the NewTek TriCaster for my production here, and I can use this as a camera for that over the network. NDI is an amazing technology, and this supports it. I think this is probably one of the smallest NDI cameras that are out there at the moment. The cost on this one is $299, and I think it's a little less expensive than the other Mevo camera we looked at about a year ago. The resolution on this camera is not as high as the original Mevo, and what that means is that if you're zooming in or something, you probably won't get as clear of an image. But again, there are some benefits to this lower cost camera because everything is self-contained and it has the NDI support. Looks like we got some instructions here and a little cleaner for the lens probably. And here is a USB Type-C cable for charging. They say you get about 4 to 6 hours of active stream time on it. They also had in the box that it came in separately a charging adapter here. So I'm not sure if they give you the USB charger in the box. Looks like you probably have to bring that on your own. And they're going to have a $100 option to go power over Ethernet through its USB-C port. So I thought that was kind of interesting. Another item here is that it's got a microphone input, so you can plug in your own microphone, but it's got 3 microphones here at the top. So we're going to charge this thing up. I'm going to start evaluating the product, and we'll have a full review coming up soon on the main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned. Full disclosure, Mevo did provide this to the channel free of charge, but they're not reviewing or approving this unboxing before it gets uploaded, and all the opinions you just heard were my own. More to come on this, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the 4 Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Rajesh, Logic GR, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.